See, okay. Oh man, Taufik in the house. Okay, Taufik, I'll make you come last. Let me bring Freddie. Hey, Fred, I saw you. Oh man, apologies if I don't bring you up. Quite a number of my folks showed up. Oh, thank you all. Okay, go ahead, brother Taufik. Go ahead, sir.
Good afternoon, everyone. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Loud and clear.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. So I see I have my hackathon background there. I've not even changed it.
I love it.
Okay.
Love it. Keep it up, please.
Yeah. Okay. I don't want to repeat what other people have been saying, and I like giving side to the whole thing. I've joined Aki, and I work with the government here, and I work with in the regular audits. And I want to change to IT audit. I've did it. I feel first time I failed. So when I told Akin that I want to apply again. The day we were talking, that was the first class of the I think that was first class of the cyber deep. Yes. It's okay, let me know. Before I could get back to Akin, they called me for interview. Boom. That's okay, no problem. So second class I attended, it's something that I listened to. So when I go to the class, when I go to the interview, I have to. Then that's okay. What you asked me last time, I didn't know. And I want you to pick something from there. That's okay. Now I've attended this particular training that is my resume. Ask me whatever you want to ask me about all these your things you want to ask. Boom, I got the job. And today I'm there already. So I want to bring it up my own case. I'm here. I want to elevate from where I am. I was in the grade level 18 in the government setup. And I always say, hey, opportunity is there for me to go to 23. And these normally take people 10 years to move between 18 to 23. And I got it done. How long? Little. The when people say things are expensive, I said, what do you think by expensive? Increase in salary is over $20,000. How much do I pay Akin? I don't even pay 2,000 for all the courses. All the courses Akin is doing, I've attended everything. And I keep on attending. So your own view may be a new one, maybe you want to elevate. So that I'm bring my own aspect of it, and I'm keep on learning. Akin, thank you very much. One thing I love that Akin did, I believe I know AI a lot. I signed to ChatGPT first day it came out, and I've been using it. But when I met Akin, first thing he says is that nobody knows it all. And you are learning. I've learned a lot in Akin. And I even use it to do a lot of research whenever I need to research at work. Thank you very much. I'm very grateful for the support. Thank you. Don't let me take your
Thank
time.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, brother. God is good. You guys are awesome, man. I mean, hey, and by the way, folks, believe it, I didn't bribe any of them. These guys are just amazing, deep thinkers. I mean, it's just surreal. You guys are awesome, man. Let's take Abiola Lao. Hey, let's go, Abiola. Let's go. Thank you, brother Tafik. Amazing, amazing. And all of them, they are, sometimes they give me too much credit, but they are extremely hard workers. Guarantee you. Hey, over to you, sis.
Okay.
What's up?
Hey everyone. My name is Viola. Just really quick. I'm not sure what the prompt was, but I'm just gonna briefly touch on my experience. And I just want to say, like, even from before joined the course, my husband and I spoke to Mr. Aki, and I was asking like a million and one questions. He was just like, "Don't worry, like it's not rocket science." That was his favorite line with us. Is like, "It's not rocket science. That you got it, you can do it." I was transferring from the health field into tech, and I was just very nervous because I was like, "Okay, I learned sciences. I don't know anything about tech. I don't know anything computer. I don't know anything about anything." Okay, like even my LinkedIn is I didn't need it because I was in healthcare. So I just did it to do it. So I was very, very nervous. But coming into the class, I think from day one, he just made it very manageable. So he would just let you know it's not rocket science, you can do it. And those little words of encouragement really went a long way. So even during interview process, I'm like shaking. I have my post-its all over like the laptop at the side, trying to amp myself up. But then I'll remember all the things that he said that we can do it. And the worst they can do is say no, right? So you'll go there, you'll put yourself out there. I did a series of interviews, got my first role in cybersecurity. Then I got a second role that I'm in now in cybersecurity. So I'm just really grateful. This course is what you make of it. So if you talk in as amazing as Mr. Akin is, also the people in your cohort, have a wealth of knowledge as well. So I really took advantage of those that I felt that, knew a little bit more than I did. Like in our groups, we'll talk. I'll message them on the side if they had more tips and different things like that they can provide. And everyone was generally very helpful. So I was able to, leverage their experience as well. And even during class, when he says, "Oh, does anybody want to sign up to talk with the examples?" So I would sign up and say, "Okay, I don't know what I'm saying, but I'm just gonna sign up anyway, and I'm just gonna talk. If I mess up, I mess up." So and just little things like that build your confidence, and they really go a long way. You might not know it at the beginning, but in the end, you will now see yourself. And now I can't even imagine where I came from. It's unbelievable. So just trust the process, go through the programs, everything he asks you to do it, come out of your comfort zone, and bet on yourself because like what's the alternative? So thank you so much, Mr. Aki. I'm super grateful. I've literally recommended everybody I know that wants to transition to this course. So you're in absolutely great hands. A very respectable man, a very intelligent man, somebody who really has a heart for people. And that's very hard to find, especially here when people want to make a quick buck out of people. But he genuinely has a heart of a teacher. So once again, you're gonna do amazing. Thank you.
Thank you, Abiola. You're awesome. Thank you. Thank you. I mean, man, these folks are just exceptional. They put the work. There's no shortcut to the process. Honestly, if there was, I would be the first to tell you guys, that, hey, let's not waste our time. This is the shortcut. Just I was taking notes. Bet on yourself. I love that word, Biola. That was awesome. We best bet on yourself. Why not you? Don't let anyone give you an imposter syndrome. Just bet on yourself. All right, let me take another person. Freddie Akpaka, my brother. Ooh, believe it or not, I have two of my most favorite people in my memory on this call. I don't know. When I moved to the US, this was the man that picked me up. This is about 24 years ago. Freddie Akpaka. This guy is my hero, man. Over to you, Daddy.
Hello, everyone. Um, I just wanted to say thank you, everyone, for joining the information session today. Ake and I go way back. We are not friends, we are family. What I would like to touch on will be the power of one family. What Akin is doing, what Skillweed is doing, it's not only to train, to equip, but to build a family. If you see this as a family, you know that keeping in contact, maintaining relationship do matter. That is why we are here today. It's not about making money, it's building family, learning on each other, ensuring that our African family, not only Nigeria, that we share information. If we see a way forward, like our Indian families are doing, Asian family are doing, that is what this is all about. Because if it is not what this is all about, Akin will not invest the time and energy into this. Akin and I will go way back, over 20 years. ICP consulting, IT audit, cybersecurity, and here we are. It is about investing in each other. And if you buy into this idea, get your brothers and sisters to know that this is a way out. The power of one family, and that is called Skillweed. Thank you.
Thank you, brother. Amazing. Daddy Mona, you're awesome. Thank you, thank you, thank you.